Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever it is you're watching, we just thank you for watching. In this video today, we are building or working on our water wheel. We're about halfway done with it. I'm basically posting this today because I'm going to be gone for a couple weekends playing old man softball and some golf, a little golf trip. So I will be not working on it for a little bit while after I'm done with it today. So anyway, there's about half of it. We're got maybe 5/8 of it done. So on this, we have, like I said, the big cable reel, 7.5 foot cable reel. Is the frame of our water wheel, and then we put some plywood on it. We built some fins. So in this video, you'll see the process that we've gotten done so far, and you'll kind of see in your mind what we're thinking. By the time this video is over, you'll see in the route we're going with it. And we went with a 7.5 foot reel, a big reel, and it's pretty heavy. By the time it starts spinning, it's going to be hard to stop it. And so we have a 5.5 foot round reel. So we have a 7.5 foot reel, and we have a 5.5 foot round reel. That 5.5 foot round reel is actually going to be what our belt goes on. So on the wheel, it's huge going down. So that little motor should just be cooking right along with what we got planned here. Anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button over there on the side. Or at the end of the video, there'll be a little button you can click to subscribe. We'd appreciate it greatly. On our channel, we got a lot of solar stuff. If you think about doing anything with solar, we have a lot of videos on hybrid solar systems. That's charge controllers. So that's basically over all of it. Let's get on with it. Thanks for watching. The old vac system. We start cutting away into that square. Just a hole big enough we can get down in there and do our work and have that vault go right in there when we're done. Then we're all said and done, we'll actually bore a line to the house for their fiber line, the fiber service. And there's our hole. That will fit in that hole. We will window out that 4-inch pipe, pull our 1 3/8 up out of it, couple it together. Of course, we're staying away from that big water line. Then there's another old phone behind it. So anyway, that's our fibers in that gray duct. All right, we windowed our 4-inch pipe. See our 1 1/4 and our 7 duct there, our 7/12. And we're going to be cutting that 1 3/8. It's empty. It's just got mule tape in it. We're going to cut that, couple onto it, swing it up out of there, and then patch the pipe. The vault goes right over top of it. All right, here's our end result. Vault's in. pipe. Our two pipes that we're going to pull up out of that 4-inch pipe right there.